This is my 2012 Ram 2500, and I was caught by surprise that this truck did not come with a factory cabin air filter installed, and so I went ahead and ordered the kit off of genosgarage.com, and I'm installing here myself. Just want to give this quick video to show you some things that I used to install this, but I first started out with a sharp knife with a nice point, like a hunting knife, just to essentially treat as a create a pilot hole, and I went back with typical box cutters, and that did the majority of the work. When I had that cutaway out of there, I got this mirror and I looked inside the HVAC blower box to see if there's any debris in there that I had to get out. This was clean, and looking to install the filter, taking the measurements, it is not a perfect square. It is a rectangle, and so what I did is I measured the inside of the insert where that filter would go, and I noticed that I guess the deepness was greater than it is wide, and so the rectangle, the longer side would go in. The orientation, at least in this truck, would be something like this, and of course pay attention to the arrows, but mine would orientate something like this in there that way, because the other way it wouldn't line up and there would be air blowing past the filter, and I'd rather not have that. So orientation, pay attention. And it's kind of interesting that at least this truck didn't come factory with that already cut out, but if I were to guess, and from what I can tell, I am not alone. It's affected many trucks, many years, and if I were to guess, this HVAC box was, uh, poured into its mold, and then somebody realized later on, like, oh, we forgot it, and they just left it as is. So, hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.